Cryptocurrencies. You have probably heard about Bitcoin and stories about people who get rich almost overnight with their cryptocurrency investments. Or maybe you have heard about how people have lost a lot of their money, or even worse, have been scammed. But what exactly are cryptocurrencies, and why are some people getting a ridiculous return on investment, and others lose almost all of their investment? Cryptocurrencies are the best known feature of blockchain technology. They are known as the cash of the internet because they allow users to make transactions without the need of middlemen and without leaving a trace. The main reason why cryptocurrencies have become so popular is mostly because of Bitcoin and its exponential increase in price. The initial growth in the price attracted more people to the platform, which in return increased the price even more, thus creating a seemingly endless loop of price growth and the increase in the user base. Fun fact: at the beginning, accumulating cryptocurrencies was easy and cheap since the prices were low and there was no competition. There was one case where a man bought 1,500 Bitcoin for only $25. After some time, after not seeing any benefit from holding them, he threw away the hard drive containing them, only to realize some years later that he basically threw away millions of dollars. At this time of writing, 1,500 Bitcoin is a little over $10 million.